Welcome to our comparison video of the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven. In this video, we'll be discussing the features and benefits of each product and comparing them side by side in different categories. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. The Ninja SP101 boasts an impressive 8-in-1 functionality, including air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm. Meanwhile, the Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven offers an even more impressive 6-in-1 versatility, with options for microwave, air fry, convection oven, broiler, defroster, and speedy combi. With both products offering a wide range of cooking options, it's a tie in this category. The Ninja SP101 features digital crisp control technology for precision controlled temperature, heat source, and airflow, resulting in optimum cooking performance. Meanwhile, the Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven boasts inverter technology for even cooking and defrosting. This technology allows for more uniform distribution of heat in the cavity, providing even cooking, reheating, and defrosting, guaranteeing maximum tender texture. The Toshiba's technology wins this category. Both products claim to deliver less fat alternatives to traditional deep frying. The Ninja SP101 claims to reduce up to 75% of fat when using the air fry function, while the Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven offers 360 degrees heat circulation air fry with no added oil needed, delivering crispier and golden fried food while cutting down on calories. The Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven takes this category as well. The Ninja SP101 claims to cook up to 60% faster than traditional ovens on air roast, with full meals ready in as little as 20 minutes. Conversely, the Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven has combi modes that speed up cooking with a combination of microwave, convection, and grill functions, while delivering perfect dishes with crispy browned outsides and tender texture insides. In this category, the Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven takes it again for its combi modes. The Ninja SP101 has a 45% larger usable pan area versus the flat surface area of the Cuisinart TOA 60 and TOA 65 pan. It can fit a 13 inches pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts. Meanwhile, the Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven has an external dimension of 19.5 W by 17.6 D by 11.5 H, with an 11.3 turntable, with clearance of 1 inch on the rear and 3 inches on each side and top. In this category, it's a tie as both products have their own unique capacity features. The Ninja SP101 takes up 50% less space when you flip it up and away to store against your kitchen backsplash. It's also easy to clean with a removable crumb tray and an easily accessible back panel for deep cleaning. Meanwhile, the Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven has a sleek and modern design that will look great in any kitchen. It also comes with an original cookbook with 27 classic recipes. In this category, it's a tie as both products have their own unique design features. And that wraps up our comparison of the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven. As we've seen, both products have their own unique features and benefits, making them great choices for different needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.